Imagine a sunlit tropical paradise where lush mango orchards stretch endlessly. These trees yield firm, tangy green mangoes, perfect for pickles and chutneys. Our story begins here in these fields of green gold. Farmers, experts in soil and seasons, cultivate these trees with care. Harvesting is done by hand to prevent bruising using long poles with soft baskets. Each mango is treated like a jewel, placed gently in crates to preserve quality. The journey from tree to factory starts with this human touch. Only the best mangoes make it to the next stage. It's all about starting strong. The promise of a perfect peeled mango begins here. Our green mangoes embark on a road trip, loaded onto ventilated trucks. The destination? A state-of-the-art processing plant. Cleanliness is paramount. The factory is a modern food processing facility. Initial sorting begins as mangoes move onto conveyor belts. Workers remove leaves, twigs, and damaged fruit. Machines sort mangoes by size, weight, and firmness for uniformity. Preparation is everything for the next steps. Our sorted mangoes are ready for a crucial bath. High-pressure water jets and soft brushes ensure they are sparkling clean. This step is vital for food safety and quality. The washing process cools the mangoes, maintaining their quality. Smart sensors scan for imperfections, ensuring only the best move forward. This technology ensures quality control. A clean mango is a safe mango, ready for the next adventure. The washing stage is more than just cleaning. It's preparation for precision. It's another layer of quality control. The main event, peeling the green mangoes. Precision peeling machines remove the skin with minimal waste. These machines are custom designed for mangoes using sharp blades or abrasive surfaces. Sensors guide the blades, ensuring only the skin is removed. Machines work quickly, peeling thousands of mangoes per hour. Skilled workers monitor the process, making adjustments as needed. It's a partnership of technology and human expertise. Together they achieve peeling perfection. Maximum yield with minimal waste is the goal. The peeling department is where science and engineering shine. Speed, precision, and very little waste. Peeling perfection is achieved through this collaboration. Not every mango fits the machine mold. Quirky mangoes get VIP treatment with manual peeling. Skilled workers use sharp knives, transforming tricky mangoes into perfect gems. Manual peeling reduces waste and ensures quality. It's about respecting the fruit and maximizing yield. These artisans are the unsung heroes of the peeling line. Their skill is vital to the factory's success. No mango is left behind if it meets quality standards. What about the peels? In a responsible factory, sustainability is key. Mango peels are packed with nutrients and are repurposed. They become animal feed, compost, or even extracts for food and cosmetics. This minimizes waste and supports a sustainable cycle. Factories focus on water recycling and energy efficiency. It's about producing great food responsibly. The peels are a resource, not waste. Innovation turns waste into value. It's a beautiful natural cycle. Sustainability is good ethics and good business. Our peeled mangoes are ready for their final transformation. They are sliced, diced, or cut into specific shapes with precision. Specialized machines ensure uniform pieces for consistent cooking and packaging. Packaging protects the mango, maintaining quality and extending shelf life. Options include vacuum-sealed bags, clear tubs, or cans. The choice depends on the market and use. Food safety is the top priority. The mango's journey from orchard to package is complete. Behind every piece is a story of skill, technology, and dedication. Enjoy the delicious, tangy green mango. Ready for your kitchen. Ready